Hey friends, it's Veterans Day, and Randy and I wanted to be sure to honor that, and we want to wish everyone a happy Veterans Day. We want to say thank you to all of the veterans, men and women, who have given their time, their families that have sacrificed for them to be away. We just thank you so much for your service.
Yeah, thanks for what you do. We could not live the life we live without all you have done. So thank you.
Well, hey friends, it's a cold morning up here in Petoskey, and we are getting ready to head south.
Yeah, when it turns 27 degrees, it's time to leave. So we're going to be heading out today. So we'll show you a little bit of our packing up.
Coach 1201, our quad slide.
Yeah, so drop floor slide. I don't think we've shown you that yet this year, so we'll show you a little bit of that and show you some of the other things that we do when we pack up and get ready to head south. So thanks for everyone for following us this summer up here at our side, and we're gonna miss it. It's been a great season. Met a lot of people. So
Randy gets a little nostalgic because this is his happy place.
My happy place.
Petoskey is his happy place.
So,
but it'll still be here next year.
Yeah, it'll be here. Yeah, even better next year. So. And we'll see all of you here next year. So it'll be great. So
and hopefully next week too. Right?
Yeah. So we'll be heading to Hilton Head Island. So if you're in the area, we're gonna be doing a little event. I think on Friday.
Yeah, the 13th of November.
So yeah. And so if you're in the area, come see us. So hope you enjoy us packing up and hitting the road.
All right, so I am actually standing in the closet of the quad slide, and Randy is there. The slide mechanism is behind the mirror in the bathroom, in the mid-bath there, in the vanities. So let's see how we do.
So the slides are deflating right now.
Okay, so that's going to take just what is it, 55 seconds total?
No, this quad could be different. Maybe that's why I lost it, but maybe it was
maybe.
It's taking a little longer.
Yeah. And so, here it comes, because the slide goes in over the lights. You can see that. I'm always amazed at the tight fit and finish of the slide. So just a reminder, I am standing in the full closet in the back, so you can get a view of what this is gonna look like. I'm feeling safe. I'm good. And now, let's get the other one, Rand. Yep. So there is a little bench. Hey, honey, you might have to move that pillow.
Good point.
Yeah. Always want to make sure and double check each other that everything is out of the way. All right. So you can see here. The slide is in. And now we're waiting on the second slide. And in the quad slide, it's a pretty snug fit in the back. This particular bed doesn't go up, which in the newer ones, a lot of them go up and you have a little more space. Here it goes. So again, it goes over the lights in the ceiling just so smoothly. The bed snuggles in right in that little area where the bench is. Mind you, I will not be riding in the closet. That is not safe. This is just so you can view it from a different angle. There we go. All right, let's move on. Next is this slide, and Randy's going to move the chair because it's a drop floor, so we definitely need that chair out of the way. You can see how the floor is going down. Zoom out a little bit so you can see this. And now the slide will go in right over the top of that. Here we go. Perfect. And now the final slide. Again, you just want to make sure everything's out of the way, which we have done, and double checked each other, because that's what we do. And here we go. We'll show you the distance. I know that's always a question. How much space is it when the slides are all the way in on a quad slide? And there you have it. We'll walk through here so you can see. All right. And bedroom. All right, so we're outside on this beautiful morning. You can see these northern Michigan skies. Sorry, I just have to add that in because it's so beautiful. All right, look at that. That is the best system in the world. Love it. Hose in, electric's next.
Yep, and then you always shut the electric off in the second bay.
Good point.
Breaker right here.
Let's take a look. All right.
Make sure you shut that off. Shut the main breaker off.
On the pedestal. Okay.
Unplug.
Is this your favorite bay?
Yeah, it's the one I spend the most time in. Still somebody left.
Yep. Sure, I get a decent view there. So I see the drop door is still down,
Yep.
so then there's a button for that as well. Perfect. Checking it all off our list. Anything else you can think of?
Check to make sure the satellite's down.
Good point. We're not seeing it.
Nope.
Nope, just a
Good.
beautiful sky. Hey friends, we went through our checklist and we are currently on the road, as you can see. Randy's driving. We're all buckled up and ready for a few-hour drive back down to Holland for this weekend at least. And then we'll be heading to Tennessee for an evening at the end of next week, and then on to Hilton Head Island Resort. We have some pretty good friends there, and we'll be there for a week, and we're going to see what that's all about because we haven't been. So
Yeah, that's another new one for us, so we're excited for that.
Yeah, and
So,
we're happy to bring that to you.
yeah, love to show